Hello, good morning students. I am Kanti sir for Mathematics Standard 10 in English medium. Yesterday we solved few sums from exercise 5.3 up to 8, question number 8. Now we start from question number 9. So you just open your textbook at page number 113, and you should also have notebook and pen also, so that you can verify any calculation step, or you can note down any particular important points also whenever you are watching video. Okay, so remember every day textbook, pen, notebook, and worksheet also you should have. Okay, now in number 9, 2 SN given. 2 SN. I earlier told you whenever 2 AN, 2 SN, or 1 AN and 1 SN given at that time, we can find two equations only, not directly value of particular variable, but two equations only. After solving these two equations, we will have value of both variables. So now 2 SN are given. Look carefully there. If the sum of first 7 terms is 49 and sum of first 17 terms is 289, then find the sum of first n terms. So we have to find sum of first n terms, means unknown, n means n, but for finding that one we have to find a and d. So our purpose is to solve first of all both equation and find a and d. After getting a and d only, we will find whatever asked. So now write down both equation, but here directly cannot be written, so use that formula. Then only you can find equation from the data. Now Sn is given 49, n itself is 7. Why? Whatever number given in subscript, it is n. Now write down value of whatever variables you know. So a is not given, n is given 7. So 7 minus 1, 6. So you get 49 equal to 7 by 2, 2a plus 6b. Now put that one here only. So it will be 98 equal to 7 to the 14a plus 7 6 the 42d. I just shifted it here because not divisible with 7 by 2, and then bracket is open. Now this whole question is divisible by 14. So you know, whenever any equation is reducible, at that time we have to reduce it first of all. So I divide whole equation by 7. So by 14 only. So 14 7s are 98, 14 1s are 14, and 14 3s are 42. So that is our first equation. Okay. If n is given here, we can write direct equation, a plus n minus 1d. Suppose a 7 given 14, and then we can write a plus 6d equal to 49. But here Sn is given. So use formula, place or value, and then you can find equation. Same way, find here also Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now that is given 289, n is given 17, a not given. This is 17 minus 16, so I return minus 160. Now shift it here. So 289 multiplied 2. So it will be 9 to the 18, 8 to the 16 plus 1 17. 2 to the 4 and 5. Okay. 9 to the 18, 8 to the 16 plus 1 and 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Now 17 to the 34a plus 17 into 16. Otherwise you can do one another way also. You can take 2 common here also. The 2 can be cancelled also in first one also. So I here do this way only so that we should not write so big numbers. So I am not shifting 2 here. Instead I take 2 common from the bracket. So it will be a plus 8d. 2 is taken common. Then only 2 can be cancelled, otherwise not. So now whatever left. So 2, 8, 9 is equal to 17 into a plus 8d. Now just open it. 289 equal to 17a plus 7 8 is 56, 5, 136d. Okay. Now look here, whether it is divisible by 7, yes. Okay, one another way, just shift, this is a multiple of this one, so you can shift it here also. Just shift it here. So 289 upon 17 is equal to a plus 8d. Now you know 17 square is 289. So 17 17s are 289. So a plus 8d. So we got second equation also. That is the process becomes quite long also because I shown all steps here. Again I explain it, just given all values, written all values. Now I taken 2 common and then cancel 2. Then I shifted 17 that side. Why? Here also you can do same way, so that it is divisible by that. So second equation we got that way only. Now look, now nothing is new, just solve 2 equations. So a plus 8d equal to 17, a plus 3d equal to 7, minus a cancel, 5d equal to 10, d equal to 2. So d we got 2. Now use either one or second number equation. So by equation 1, write down a plus 3d equal to 7, but d is 2. So a plus 6 equal to 7, so a equal to 7 minus 6, 1. So we got d and a both, means everything. We got everything. Okay. Now we can find Sn. But here again look carefully how I got 2 equations. Sn is given, so I used Sn's formula. How to solve equation that you know very well. Okay, because we practice many sums in exercise 5.2 also. Now they asking Sn. So I am writing here Sn. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now place value of a and b, but n is n only. So not as S25, S30, S60, S100, but Sn means n remain n only. So no value of n, but value of a we already found. N minus 1 remain, n minus 1 only, but d we found 2. So just simplify it. N by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, I open that bracket. 2 minus 2 cancel. So n by 2 into 2n. So again 2 cancel, n square. So Sn equal to n square. That is the answer. Okay, you can verify also here. Sn equal to n square. Look there. 7 square, 17 square. Okay, and this AP will be of odd number. Look here, 1, then add 2. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like will be that. That is not us, but you can find sum of this odd number series by Sn equal to n square directly also. Okay. So understand how I solve it. Now, number 10. So that A1, A2, An from an AP where An is defined as below. So, An general form is given. General form means what? In form of N only it is given. Okay, now what to do? Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So after getting arithmetic progression, they have not asked us clearly and find arithmetic progression, but show that A1, A2, dot, 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 An means what? Show arithmetic progression. Okay, so you have to find first few terms. It's now number 10th first. 10th first one. Whatever given, An equal to 3 plus 4n. Very easily, just find out n. Sorry, place value of n, find out n. So A1 will be what? 3 plus 4 into 1 means 3 plus 4, 7. Then A2 will be 3 plus 4 into 2 means 3 plus 8, 11. Then A3 will be 3 plus 4 into 3 means 3 plus 12, 15. Okay, so now we can write arithmetic progression. So therefore, arithmetic progression is 7, 11, 15 like this. Okay, so whatever they are, so that A1, A2 like dot 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 An. Form an AP where An is defined as follows. So AP is formed. That is fine. Why? Difference is constant everywhere. Difference is constant of 4 only. Difference is constant of 4 only. So AP is formed. Now what they are asking? Sum of first 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms. So we now know A equal to 7. D equal to 4, they have given N equal to 15 and Sn means S15 is asked. Now nothing new. Just use that formula, second number. So Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 D. Write down all values. 15 upon 2, 2 is given 7. N is given here 15. So I write 15 minus 1, 14. And D is 4. Okay. Sum of first 15 terms means N equal to 15 given. Now it is 15 upon 2. 7 to the 14 plus 14 4 the 56. So 15 by 2 into 70. So 2 into 35. So 35 into 15. So it will be 350, 5 5 are 25, 2, 15, 17, 5, 12, 3, 4, 5. 5 to 5. So sum of 15 terms becomes 525. Okay. So means if you are given this form, general form or general equation of An, then you understand you are given AP. You are given AP. You just put value of 1, 2, 3 in the equation, so that very easily you can find arithmetic progression. After getting arithmetic progression, you can find whatever asked. That is now starting sum, just like starting types of sum. Okay. Now same way, second question is just like this. So that is in homework, exercise 5.3, question number 10, second one. Okay, just like this. Now, Look further, number 11. Number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Now you just understand here, formula of an given, so we can find a1, a2, a3. Now in next one means 11 terms, formula of Sn is given. Formula of Sn is given, so we will have S1, S2, S3 only, not A1, A2, A3. So we will not find directly terms of the arithmetic progression. But we will find sum of first term, sum of first two terms, sum of first three terms, sum of first four terms likewise. So arithmetic progression we will not have. But first try that what we obtained. Okay. So just like this, here is formula of or general sum of Sn is given. So write down that and then place value 1, 2, 3 there. Sn equal to given 4n minus n square. Why Sn is given? Sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms means Sn only. Now likewise earlier one, write down S1 by placing 1 in the place of n. So it will be 4 1 ja 4 minus 1 3. S2 4 2 minus 2 square. So 8 minus 4 4. S3 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 12 minus 9 3. Okay. So first term sum. First term sum means first term itself. Sum of first term means what? First term itself. It is 3. Then sum of first two terms 4. Sum of first three terms 3. Okay. Don't confuse by repeating of 3. Okay. Now, what they ask? They have asked many questions. Just I list down all the questions, whatever they are asking. What is the first term? Means A1 is asked. What is the sum of first two terms? S2 is asked. What is the second term? A2 is asked. Find third term. Find 10th term. And find nth term. Now you might be thinking that if this type of question asked in exam, then what to do? So many questions are there, so many answers are required, but don't confuse by that. In exam, not so many, only 1 or 2 questions are, or 1 or 2 answers are expected, not so many. Okay, but now understand in this single question only. Now, you understand whether it is A1 or S1, both are same. I am giving you example 1, 4, 7, 10 like this. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 like this. Now I prepare here S1, S2, S3 also. So sum of first term, then first term plus second term, then first, second plus third, then 12 plus 10, 22. So these are what? S1, S2, S3, S4 like this. Now you just understand here, A1 is 1 and S1 also is. So A1 is S1 only. Sum of first two terms is 5. So if you subtract S2 minus S1, look at S2 minus S1, then you will get A2. If you subtract S3 minus S2, 12 minus 5, 7, 22 minus 12, 10. So you understand? If you have having S1, S2, S3, S4, then it is not difficult to find A1, A2, A3, A4 means AP. How to find? You have to understand, if you want to find A2, then you have to find S3 minus S2. If you want to find A3, then you have to take difference of S4 minus S3. Okay, one more, then this number. And obviously you can understand it. If you make total up to 4 terms, and if you subtract first 3 terms, then obviously what will left? Last term only. Again, if you make total of all 4 terms, it is 22. If you subtract sum of first 3 terms, then obviously what is left? Last term only. So that is not difficult. Out of first 3 terms sum, first 2 are removed. So whatever left? Third term only. Okay. Now, out of first 4 term sum, first 3 are removed. Whatever left? Fourth term only. Okay. Actually, I made one mistake here. Now corrected that. Remember that. A3 equal to S3 minus S2 and A4 equal to S4 minus S3 means AN equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is generally you can write that way also. Okay. So remember this as a formula also. Number 4, AN equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. If you don't understand, just understand by example only. Now look here. First of all, A1 is nothing but a S1. We derive here. So A1 itself is a 3. So first answer we got. Now S2 is already given 4. So this is second answer. Now A2, I just explain here. A2 is nothing but a S2 minus S1. A2 is nothing but a S2 minus S1. Okay. So obviously it will be 4 minus 3, 1. So that is third answer. Now A3. So for A3, you have to find S3 minus S2. For finding A3, S3 minus S2 just like this. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now A10. But for A10, if you want to find A10, then you will have S10 minus S9, but we not found S10 and S9. So instead of finding that way, now we can have arithmetic progression also. If you have initial 2 or 3 terms, then you are having arithmetic progression. So 3, 1 minus 1. So AP is formed now. Indirectly AP is formed. Look here. You got AP indirectly. Why? Because they are A1, they are A2, they are A3. Means first 3 terms are us. We already found. So means we found AP also. Now whatever they ask we can find. Because we are having A, D also and they have given N. So now A is 3, D is 1, D is 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Look here, second term minus first term. And so write down that. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, but here we first find AN only and remain N only. Then we will put value of N as a 10. Okay, so it will come. So now I am not placing value of N first of all. This minus 2. So 3 minus 2N plus 2. Look here carefully. So it becomes 5 minus 2N. So that is AN. Now if you find AN in this general form, then you can place value of N any. So I can write A10 equal to 5 minus 2 into 10 is equal to 5 minus 20 is equal to minus 15. So that is our test answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers are there. So again, I explained that Sn is given, clearly that is written. We place 1, 2, 3 here, so we got S1, S2, S3 that. Now, there are so many answers, so many variables. So first of all, A1 equal to S1 only, and they have given hint also in question. Okay, and we understood also by taking example. So A1 equal to S1 only, then that is 3, so written directly. S2 equal to 4, that is also found, so written directly. Now what is A2? So A2 is not but S2 minus S1, look here. So 4 minus 3, 1. Now A3 is nothing but S3 minus S2 according to 4 number equation. So 3 minus 4 minus. Now we are having first 3 terms, A1, A2, A3, so we are having A2. Now after getting A2, we can find any term. But first I try to find nth term and then 10 terms. So easily we can find 10 terms. Okay, so last 2 examples combined we get that. Okay, so long sum but not difficult, one new concept you came across here. Okay, now look at number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divided by 6. First 40 positive integers divided by 6. Now you know positive integer means what? 1, 2, 3 like this. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divided by 6. So that will be like this, 6, 12, 18 like this. How many terms? 40. Okay, so can you write A equal to 6, B also 6. Why I have written 6, 12, 18? First 40, sum of first 40 positive integers divided by 6 means they should be multiple of 6. So n equal to 40 given. What you have to find? Sn only, S40 only. So use second formula. Very simple, it is given. Divisible by 6 means table of 6, that is AP. Table of 6 is AP only. But up to 40 terms. Okay. Now, so question number 12 homework. Now same way 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. 15 multiple of 8. So this is just like 12. 8, 16, 24, 32 and n will be 15 only. Okay. So 12 and 15 are of same type and number 2 will be useful there. And AP is given indirectly but very simple it is. 8, then 16 means table of 8 only. You just write 2 or 3 terms first of all, then dot dot dot. So you know A, D and N is given. So just everything is given here. So place all values in Sn formula. So you will have Sn only. Okay. So again today also 3 sums in homework. Thank you.